I am so excited. Tonight is prom night. I'm looking spiffy and I am all ready to go. So let's get started with my makeup and everything. Oh my gosh, my face. Shoot. Mom?
Yes?
Mom, oh shoot, I need help. My face.
Oh no, I can cover that up. Here, I got a little makeup.
Help me.
Okay. I think I can help you out.
Thank you, Mom.
I got this. No. You're in good hands with me. I got this. No, you will. No. Oh, so cute. Oh, he's such a peach. Look at this guy, his first prom. Oh.
How do I look?
Oh, you look so cute.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Oh, I gotta make my hair look good. Okay. Looking good. Looking really good. Oh, shoot. Frick. Gotta get that out. Oh, shoot. Oh, frick. Shoot. Good. I'll look great. So excited! Hi, Roz, it's me, Jack. Here, I got some flowers for you.
Why, thank you.
Shall we?
Let's shall.